Let's fix dinner. We are making peppered gizzard and then fried plantains. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where I share very easy and quick but yet delicious recipes with you. Trust me, you are going to enjoy here. So please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. I have with me here my plantains. Okay, they look very clean, but we have to wash it very well because we don't know where they are coming from. Do you get it? So first of all, wash it very well. After washing it, I used my paper towel to wipe some of the water from it. Now I'll go ahead and then peel it and then we proceed. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. I am so grateful for always having you around. Now I am just going to cut it into the sizes I want and then we can proceed. Please do not forget to follow us on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Yes, on all social media platforms. We are done peeling the skin. I have my oil on fire. It is very hot. I'll just go ahead and then start frying it. The fire is not very high under it, okay, because we don't want it to burn and then the inside will not cook well. Now the other side has a bit fried. I will just go ahead and then flip it to the other side and then we can proceed with short videos. Please follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and then our YouTube shorts. That is where we share our short videos, okay, videos that are less than a minute or a minute and 30 seconds, and those videos are very detailed recipes which you are going to fall in love with them. Now our plantains are ready. I am just going to remove everything from the oil, allow it to rest on the paper towel so that some of the oil can be extracted, okay. Yeah, now whilst the plantain will be resting, I'll just go ahead and then wash my gizzard very well. You'll be wondering, why is it that a gizzard is so big and it looks weird to you if you've not seen it before? Okay, yeah, this is actually duck gizzard. Okay, it is duck gizzard. So that is why it may be a bit weird to you, maybe you've not seen it before. Okay, I'll cut them into smaller pieces. Okay, we want it very small, not big like that, but you just pick it and then you chew. You will not bite it in your mouth before you take the next one. That is not what we are looking for. So now we are done with everything. We have cleaned it very well with a lemon juice, and now I've added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and I'll just rinse the blender and then add it to it. After that, we are going to add our natural herbs and spice blend, add some salt, add my chicken seasoning, and then we are good to go. So with gizzard, my dear friends, you don't have to say you are steaming it, okay. I mean, you have to cook it because it takes a longer time for it to cook very well. So you don't steam it just like how you steam your chicken or your beef. You have to cook it very well so it can cook well, okay. So we are cooking it. That is why I have a lot of water on it, okay. So after it is well cooked, we will continue with the process. It is going to be on fire for about 40 to 45 minutes. Oh yes, it will take a longer time before it cooks very well. Now whilst that is on fire, I have my oil here, that is olive oil. I have my green bell peppers, I have habanero pepper, I have my garlic, onion. I'm just going to prep them very well, and then after that we will continue with the process. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much for your time. Yes, I am so grateful and I am so thankful. Okay, now I'll remove all the seed from it, and should you want to blend it with the seeds, you can just go ahead and do so, but I have removed them. I'll cut them into smaller pieces and then, or in a diced form, and then we are going to blend all the ingredients. Okay, I washed everything before bringing them here. Okay, so they have been washed. Now this is how our gizzard is looking. So you can see some round thing there. That is chicken heart I added. Yeah, just small or just few. I added that to it, and that is ready. We will just set that aside. I have my oil here. We strain the starch from it, and now we'll just go ahead and then fry it very well. We are not going to throw the starch away. Okay, we'll be using it to prepare the peppered gizzard. Now make sure you fry the gizzard very well. Okay, if you want it dry, you can go ahead and do so, but with this recipe we are not going to fry this very dry because that is not what we want to achieve. So I'll fry it maybe about 5 minutes and we should be done. Now stir it or just turn it, anyhow you will say it. Just ensure that it doesn't burn. Okay, please, have you liked the video? If you haven't, what are you waiting for? Can you smash on the like button for me, and please subscribe to the channel, share to others, leave me your comments in the comment section, and that would be so nice to see. Okay, now our gizzard is ready. I'll just go ahead and then remove everything from the oil so we can prepare the peppered gizzard. With the habanero pepper we used, oh my goodness, it is very spicy. So should you don't like it very spicy, please be very careful. You can even use just half. Okay, yes, those who know, they know it is very spicy. Should you are blending your pepper and the other ingredients, if you want to blend it with water, you can do that instead of the oil. But trust me, if you do it with the oil, it makes the cooking process very faster. Okay, the food will be ready on time, so try and then blend it with the oil. Now I have added it to the oil that we used to fry the gizzard. Now I have added the starch to it. I will give it a stir. I'm not going to add any seasoning to this because of the starch we have added. Give it a stir, allow it to be on fire, cook very well before we proceed. At this moment, taste for salt. We tasted and it was perfect. I'll go ahead and then add the gizzard and then the heart. Give it a stir, wait for some few minutes so that they can absorb some of the sauce, and they will also release some juice or flavor to the stew. Yes, they both are helping each other. Now it is ready and we enjoyed it with the plantains that we fried. Thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. See you in the next video, and please do not forget to try this. You will love it. Bye bye.